If you want to become a certified project management professional and grow your career internationally, this video is for you guys. In this video, I will explain what PMP certification is, why it is important, and how you can pass the PMP exam step by step with my guidance. So make sure to watch this video until the end because I will share complete roadmap. Hello everyone, my name is Mohsin Hassan and welcome to my channel Knowledge for Professional. I have professional experience in finance, project operations, and IT based systems, and I'm passionate about project management and professional development. In this channel, I will guide you step by step to understand project management concept and help you prepare for the PMP certification from the Project Management Institute. First, let us understand what PMP certification is. You can view my certificate under your screen. Let us understand what PMP certification is. PMP stands for Project Management Professional. It is one of the most recognized project management certification in the world, and it is offered by the Project Management Institute, the worldwide recognized certification. This certification proves that you have the knowledge, skills, and experience to manage project successfully. Many international companies prefer PMP certified professional because they understand global project management standards. So this is PMP, guys. You have to make sure about it. It's an alarming for those person who boost their career under PMP. Benefit of PMP certification, there are many or series of benefits uh, for PMP certification. We will discuss in this video major benefits of PMP. So there are several benefits. First, it increase your career opportunity. Second, it help you earn a higher salary compared to non-certified professional. Third, it improve your leadership and project management skills. And finally, it gives you international recognition in the field of project management. So what next, guys? A complete package to boost your career, to boost your profession, to boost your resume as well. Okay, coming to the requirement, what PMP required, what you have uh, to appear, what you need to appear in PMP exam. So to apply for the PMP certification, you must meet some requirement. You need project management education, usually 35 hour of training. 35 hour of training. Sorry, my bad. 35 hour of training. You can say that the PDU in PMI language, in PMI term, it's PDU 35 PDUs required. You also need project management experience. For example, if you have a bachelor degree, you need at least 3 years of project experience. After that, you can apply for the PMP examination, for the PMP exam through the PMI website directly. So these are the major requirement. These are the crux of requirement you can meet to appear in PMP exam. In this channel, I will guide you step by step to prepare for PMP exam. We will cover PMBOK. PMBOK stand for Project Management Body of Knowledge, in simple language. Project management principle and performance domain, agile and hybrid project management concept, real BMB exam question and practice scenarios or session as well. And complete BMP exam preparation strategy. I will prepare for you guys these main component of to your guidance. We will definitely plan the study. We will definitely prepare a roadmap for the preparation of PMP exam. If you follow a proper study plan, you can prepare for the PMP exam in about 3 to 4 months. It's a not big deal. If you serious about your study, if you're serious about PMP, so you can achieve it with 3 to 4 months averagely. Although you people are quite intelligent, so you can meet within 1.5 month as well. So don't worry. We will discuss plan our study in four component or in four steps. Step one: understand PMBOK concept. Uh, Latest edition, we need to read or we need to digest. Now the latest edition of PMBOK is 8th edition. So you have to learn, guys, 8th edition. Step two: learn agile and hybrid project management approaches. Agile and hybrid project management approaches. These are methodologies of the project management. So you have to learn uh, how to learn and what the concept is. I'm available for this. I will guide you how these methodologies applicable and how you people can read it. Step 3: practice PMP mock exam. Obviously there are series of platform, there are many platform now in the modern era available to mock questions, to provide you the mock question series of mock questions available on multiple platform. Although I will also prepare for you many questions with answers, uh, which is similarity, which have similarity, uh, it's like a PMP exam or PMP questions. Step 4: improve your time management and exam strategy. Obviously, the questions which are appeared in PMP exam, they're scenario based question. You, it's like uh, two to four line questions. You have to read how to read it. You have to read fast. You have to respond fast. So basically, the paper of PMP consists of 230 minutes in the modern era. 230 minutes, it's like approx 4 hour, 4 hour papers. So you have to manage it. And the paper, the exam based on 180 multiple choice MCQs based. So it's not a big time. If you fail to 30 minute, it's a huge time frame. So when you appear in the exam, or once the question uh, appeared on your screen, so you can understand this time it's not a huge time. For you, please align your study on time. In this channel, I will help you with each of these steps. Remember one important thing, PMP certification is not only about passing an exam, it is about becoming a professional project leader who can manage teams, solve problems, and deliver successful project. If you stay consistent and follow the right guidance, you can definitely achieve this certification. If you want to start your PMP journey with me, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Also like this video and share it with friends who want to build a career in project management. In the next video, I will explain the PMPOC guide structure and how to study it effectively for the PMP exam. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, my YouTube family. Thank you.